Hi guys, how you going? Another bonus shave. Did you see that last unboxing? All that wonderful stuff from Pearl Shaving? Well, a couple of hours after that landed, Frank Shaving sent me this. Now, Frank, that's not my addressing. Frank got in touch with me again 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I don't know if he said something, but he messaged me this morning. He went, "Have you had your parcel yet?" I said, "No, I haven't." And then lo and behold, a couple of hours later, I got an alert on my phone saying, "We've got it, we'll be sending it out." And then it came that same day. So thank you, Frank. I don't know what friends you've got, but you must have powerful friends in high places. It came up. Once again, I've no idea what's in here, guys, but thank you to Ming Lee from Frank Shaving. Frank Shaving's been very kind to this channel. Frank's given me a lot of stuff for me, and he gave me a lot of stuff to give away as well. So there you go. Let's have a look. I'm trying to be careful because my address is on it. So, well, I've said it before, it's okay for you guys. The last thing I need is Dallas cheerleaders breaking my door down. Right. Okay, come on. Oh, here we go. Like I said, once again, I have no idea whatsoever at all. It's in this packing. That'll be getting recycled. Here, can you see what we're doing? Look. Well, thank you, Frank. Thank you. That's going to come in very handy. Oh, yeah, lots and lots. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Okay, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. So let's have a look and see what we've got. First off, have I said it? Thank you, Frank. Finest handmade shaving brush. There you go. Let's have a look. I have no idea what these are. Check this out. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A badger. It feels like a badger. Feels very, very soft. Wonderful. Put that in there. Thank you, Frank. I'll be taking a closer look at all these later on. This, oh, another shaving brush. But what we got in here? Look at the difference in size there, guys. Exciting, isn't it? It's always wonderful when you get stuff. Woo! Check this out. Check that out. Stamped on the bottom. Look, that's boar. That, guys, that is a boar brush. Absolutely. Wow, that's got a lot of backbone. Can you see that? That's absolutely beautiful. There's that. And then this one. What have we got here? Let's have a look. Oh wow. You see this? It looks like a gunmetal razor. Look, Frank Shaving stamped on the bottom. It looks like what's it called? Oh, you're all shouting at the screen now, aren't you? The Rockwell 2C in gunmetal. It's that kind of look. Absolutely wonderful. Don't know anything about it. It looks great. It feels great. We'll have a nice shave with that, guys. So that's it. We've got some nice shaves coming up, haven't we, in April. Thank you to Frank. Thank you very much. Look after yourselves, guys. Enjoy it, and I'll see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.